Here's something most people never realize. A manipulator doesn't actually want a fight. They want a reaction. The moment you stop giving them one, they lose all their power. Today I'll show you the one calm move that makes almost any manipulator back off, and you won't have to say a single word. Number 1. The calm pause. When someone tries to bait you. A sly insult, a little dig, a guilt trip. Most people snap back instantly. And that is exactly what they're hoping for. Your reaction is their fuel. So do this instead. Pause. 3 full seconds. Hold their eyes and say nothing. That silence does something incredible. It hands the discomfort straight back to them. Now they're the one who has to fill the gap. The calm person always looks more powerful than the loud one. And a manipulator cannot control someone they cannot provoke. So try it once this week. The next time someone tries to bait you, just pause. Then tell me in the comments what happened. And if you want to feel this calm every day, you know what to do.